Hi, honey. Mom, what are you doing? You almost scared me half death. I'm sorry. And who is this? This is my friend, Ronnie. Her name's Ronnie? Yes. Isn't it a little bit of a coincidence? She's an amazing fur painter. She's a fur painter. Come on, Mom, tell me the truth. She's a stylist. I was trying to make it seem cool like you guys, like you teens do these days. And I wanted her to give you a makeover. Thank you, Mom, but I don't want a makeover. I like myself the way I am. Will you at least try them? Fine, I'll try them. This is my special spray. I've never used it before. Oh, that's good to know. Alright. I need you to take off your accessory. Why? I don't want to paint your accessory. Okay. So when I spray you, you will look completely different. Is this your mirror? Yep. Alright, well, let's just get it open so you can look at it when you're done. Okay? Okay. Alright, let's go. How do you feel? I don't know. We'll go take a look. Oh my gosh, this is so hideous. I don't like it. Change it now. Okay. Wait. Okay, you can't change it for another hour. Alright, I hope this is a really beautiful look. Oh my God. I look beautiful. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Alright, so why don't you just keep this? Really? I made a few other copies. I'm going to, actually. Why don't you just keep it, and then you can change yourself back to your regular look whenever you want to. Really? Thank you. Alright, well, I need to go. Ciao, sunshine. Bye, Ronnie. Wow. You look so beautiful. You do. Do you want some privacy? Yes, Mom. Okay. I guess I better get ready for school. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my! The play, it's today! Oh my dog! Oh no! What do I do? What time is it? What time is it? Mom! What time is it? It is 9 a.m. Wait a minute. Play is at 11. I've only got 2 hours. I've got to get completely ready. Oh no! Oh my dog! To be continued.